Hi and welcome to Garfin's Creation. Today's video is all about party ideas like party favors, party souvenirs, or those little tiny sweet dish at the end of the party to thank your guests. So let's begin. In this video, I'll be using my classic Marzipan recipe, the link for which is in the description box below. Take around 1/4 kg of Marzipan and knead it well. I will now roll it in a rectangular shape to around 1/2 inch thick. The thickness of this favor totally depends upon you. You can make it even more flatter. Now I'll be cutting strips of around 1 inch and the length I'll keep of each favor around 2.5 inches. This too can be adjusted as per your need. You can also use cookie cutters and cut whichever shape you like. Now once this is done, I'll be doing some alphabet stamping on it. These are the alphabet cookie embossers, also known as alphabet press stamps. They are used for cookies and I'll be using them to write a thank you note on these Marzipan favors. These stamp embossers also come along with this type of stick, so where you can arrange the alphabets and personalize your messages. You just need to remove and slide them as per your message. I'm adding a thank you note to these favors. You can also customize and write a person's name or date, whatever is relevant to the party. All you have to do is just press the letters on the Marzipan and you get the words embossed on it. I'll be adding the link for this alphabet embosser in the description box below. I'll also be doing orange, pink and green Marzipan favors, and I have kept some plain ones without the embossing done on it. On those I'll show you some other decorations. Just a closer look of the embossed letters. While moving the favors around, if you feel the shape has been changed, you can always adjust it after placing them on the tray where they are going to be there for some time. These marzipan favors are of great party ideas. You can personalize the messages. Even for communion, you can add the communicant's name and the date. These marzipan favors can be kept also on your dessert tables, where you can show your gratitude to your guests who have attended the party. Just showing you how you can use a steel scale also to cut the marzipan favors if you are doing it in a bulk. So now once these are done, I'll be decorating them. To decorate these, I'll be using royal icing. I have 2 shades of pink and a green. The recipe link for the royal icing is mentioned in the description box below. I'll be cutting all the 3 icing bags, just a tiny tip, a straight cut. That's it. To make those tiny flowers, just turn the bag into a circular motion. And now, using the other shade too of light pink, I'll be doing a similar round circle. Just use the empty space and create as many tiny flowers you want, and then use the green royal icing and create some leaves. Just adding some tiny leaves. You can also make use of stencils over here. Just spread the royal icing over the stencil and you will get a beautiful design in no seconds. To make it look even more prettier, I will let this dry for a few minutes and then add gold dust over the flowers. I will now be decorating some more in the same way, and will show you one more variation using gum paste flowers. I'll be adding the video link how to make this gum paste flowers below, so do check it out if you intend using some gum paste flowers, as it is an easy alternative. I had earlier made some videos using these flowers to decorate some Easter eggs. Do check out those videos too to get some inspiration. Just adding a tiny dot to look like flower buds. You can also use sugar beads here. I will now let these dry hard and then add a little bit of gold tinge over them. So now let's decorate the other ones which we have not embossed with the thank you words. Here I have taken some white compound and over a double boiler I will melt it. Below I have a pot with little hot water, and over it I have placed a glass bowl with some white chocolate in it. I have used this brand of white compound. Within a few minutes, the chocolate starts melting. Chocolate is fully melted with no lumps in it. Now we will fill a piping bag so it's easy to drizzle with it. Make sure to wipe the vapor which is collected below the bowl with a tissue paper. This is an easy method to pour the chocolate into the piping bag. Why I recommend cleaning the bowl is now the water droplets would have fallen into the chocolate and your chocolate would have turned hard. I will close the piping bag with a rubber band so the chocolate does not flow back. And now all set to drizzle the flavors. I will be just cutting a tiny tip of the piping bag. I will now drizzle the marzipan flavors with the melted white chocolate and then decorate them individually according to different themes. I'll be using various types of sprinkles according to the party theme. This first decoration would look nice for a Valentine party. I'm using these little red hearts which usually come in this box with other colors too. All the sprinkles that I've used today are easily available in the bakery accessory shops or even online. I'll put a link for some of them in the description box below. These are trending silver rods and this theme looks very good for a silver wedding or a communion party. Next, this is like a baby shower party theme. It has pink and blue combination of sprinkles in it. These themes are just my suggestions. You can decorate them however you like it. Colorful rainbow theme also to suit any occasion. The next one I feel you can also use for a silver wedding or a silver theme party. The next theme is of gold, nice for a golden jubilee or 50th birthday. These are also edible gold rods easily available in the market. These are again multicolor sprinkles. It can go well on any theme also. This one will suit a galaxy theme party wherein I'll be using some big and small sprinkles too. If your chocolate is dried, you can also add some more later again and then add the sprinkles over it. I hope you like all the suggestions regarding the themes in decorating this marzipan favors for parties. You can use whichever sprinkles you have and make it as per your convenience. Now once these are all dried, I'll be adding a tinge of gold over the flowers. I have used little edible gold dust mixed with Evaporex, which will dilute the powder and make it liquid. And taking a tiny brush, I'll just add some gold over the flowers. I hope you can see the gold shimmer, and I will continue adding it for the rest of the flavors too. I hope you all like me showing this to do something different out of marzipan too, which you can use to keep it on your party dessert table. Thanks for watching, and continue watching till the end for a more closer look of all that has been done today. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and click the notification bell for the upcoming videos. There is still lots more to come, so keep watching until we meet in the next video. Bye bye.